Hi, Summer. How are you? Okay, you'll hear everybody rolling around at Heritage tonight, but I wanted to make sure you had a recording of this because on Monday we're going to talk about Shore Up. I don't think we need to waste our time. I think I can record the things that I need to talk about, and then you'll know where we're at. Components of a first grade Shore Up. You've been doing their dibbles from the first graders, and you're noticing that we're doing letters. We're doing the nonsense words, which is do they know their sounds of their letters, right? All those short sounds, all the sounds. And then they segment a word. When we say a word slowly, fast, they say it slow. First grade, I taught first grade the most out of anything I ever taught. And I feel like first grade is phonics. Like, these kids, they need their letters, and then they need the sound, and they need practice, practice, practice with the letter and the sound. They need explicit phonics taught to them. There's a course that does it in the online school, and we're just going to match our Shore Up to hit that, what is they're already doing in their online school, and we'll just add a few more activities from readingatoz.com and from these phonemic awareness books that I'll give to you that you can throw in it that as you need. Like we were talking about, you're going to do 4 groups of the same thing. 3 groups will be the same, and then 4th will be the low lows, and you'll just do things slower. You'll just prepare one lesson and present it this many times. You're just going to start. The whole premise of your whole group is phonics, right? Letters and sounds. Let's put them together. Let's make words, but letters and sounds. You'll want to get in a good system where you basically do the same things every day, every time you teach, but just different sounds. I want you to be creative with this, and I'll help you as you need to. But in the online school, there's already an order of the sounds that are taught. So I'm pulling up the online school first grade. Unit 1 right here was the short vowels. So the short vowels are tricky. A, on, I don't think you should teach these all at the same time, but I think you should say, okay, week 1 they're learning the A. And let's see what they're doing in Unit 2. In Unit 2, basically we're going to map out when you're going to teach these sounds. Here's some more short vowels, all of them. I think these kids that are low enough that we can't do all these short vowels at once, we can't hit them like that. We need to throw in a couple consonants in there. But maybe we do just want to follow it. I think we want to follow it. So we're going to just have to. So your first week your weeks will just follow these units exactly, just the way they are. And we'll find fun ways. You'll find fun ways to teach these 3 letters, these 3 sounds. Using Reading A to Z. I'll make sure you have a username and password. In the phonics tab, there's a lesson that accompany every single sound. So here's like short vowel A. There's a story that goes with it. Short vowel E. Short vowel U. And then there's all the consonant sounds also. You can tell I'm thinking as I'm doing this. Then you can look at the lesson, like here's the short vowel U sound. The lesson will be just spelled out for you. First, there's a book that comes with it, The Mutt and the Bug, and you can use that book. Then there's a lesson over here. Lesson plan and teaching materials. $18 pages long, see? So it'll give you lots of fun ideas to do with each thing. Introduce blah 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 blah. There's no way you can do every single part of this lesson, but these will give you fun ideas, and it'll give you all the sound symbol cards, like and it gives you ideas of what to do with these. Probably that's making words, that's some sorting, you know, here's some sight words. Oh yeah, throw that in. The easiest thing for you to do would to just be to follow these phonics lessons. So that's basically how we're going to do it. I just don't think we can do all the short vowels all at once like that. So we'll work on the letters and stuff like that and what in order. But as you can see, like, if we follow those, just like follow that order from the lesson, you'll have tons of things to do. And like all those sorting of those sounds, you can put that in a breakout room as like a center. So you can do the main chunk of your teaching. We can go find little like starfall.com lessons about the sounds and stuff like that. And then we could throw them in a breakout room and they can sort those words on their own, put the is in this row and the us in this row, or make this word, make this word dog, and they go and they make it with their little ABC cards, and they put the D and the O and the G down, whatever. So I think a lot of it, like the bulk of it, will be like 10 minutes of maybe like whole group, then maybe like 7 to 10 minutes of some center activities, and then bring them back in for like one more little final, this is what we learned review, and you're done. Basically, we will just follow the phonics way they're taught in the first grade online school, and then add in those extra supplemental things from reading A to Z. Thanks, bye. Now, next Monday, you can just kind of have an idea, and we can maybe start working on the curriculum map instead of talking about this. Thanks, bye.